Good morning students. Today it is my first video class 8th chapter first name is the rational numbers. At first I am telling about the introduction of the chapter first. So we know that about what is the rational number. Rational number, it is definition of a rational number in a p upon q form, but q not equal 0. Here some examples like 3 by 5, 2 by 7, 3 by 8, 5 by 7 and minus 1 upon 3 etc. But numerator is equal to p and denominator is equal to q. So denominator every time in a natural numbers. So it is called the rational numbers. After that I am telling about the distributive property of chapter first. Distributive property like a upon b bracket c upon d plus e upon f. So we solve it. A upon b is a common digit. So a upon b into c upon d plus a upon b into e upon f. It is positive and negative both sign used. Suppose that here minus sign, so we use a upon b into c upon d, but here not a plus sign, we put here minus sign. So we use the distributive property in a positive forms and a negative forms. C additive inverse. P upon Q a rational number, it is additive inverse equal minus P upon Q. Means any rational number convert the sign. Positive rational number convert into the negative rational number and negative rational number convert into the positive numbers. It is called the additive inverse. Its property identity p upon q minus p upon q equal 0. Positive digit convert into the negative digit, we use the identity, we find the answer 0. D multiplicative inverse. A rational number p upon q a rational number, it is reciprocal is q upon p, means numerator convert into the denominator convert into the numerator. Examples 4 by 6, its reciprocal 6 by 4. Any other example 5 upon 4, its reciprocal 4 upon 5. Its property is identity p upon q, its reciprocal q upon p into 1. It is called the identity, but question come in the exams similar of this type. P upon Q convert into additive inverse negative form. Minus P upon Q convert into the positive form P upon Q. Next topic is rational number on the number lines. Here one example minus 2 upon 5. We draw a line 0. Every time you earlier classes you seen कि positive digit in the right hand side and negative digit in the left hand side. So it is the negative digit. So here 5. We put here 1. So at first we choose कि minus 2 upon 5 in both of the which whole numbers. So 2 divided by minus 2 divided by 5, 0.54 is 20. It is complete divide, but no matter of that it is a complete or incomplete. We seen here the 0, so it is the minus 2 upon 5 between of the 0 and 1. So we divide 0 to 1 in 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here minus 1 upon 5. It is minus 2 upon 5. It is minus 3 upon 5. it is -4/5. So our number is -2/5. Similarly, you do other examples. And our last topic is rational number between the rational numbers. D between numbers of the rational number. It is the last topic of chapter 1. I telling about the one example. Find between number 2 and 7. So it is the whole number. We know about that the between number is 3, 4, 5, but it is the whole number. We find the between number in the rational number. One example is -2. Find between number -2/5 and 1/2. So at first we convert the denominator of the same digit. So we find the LCM 5 and 2. LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. So we multiply by 5 into 2 and 2 into 5. So denominator we multiply by 2. So we multiply by numerator similar digit. Here into 2, so numerator into 2. Here into 5, so numerator into 5. So it's convert -4/10 and 5/10. So between number is -3/10, because 10 is a no matter both digit have the same number. -3 after that -3/10, -2/10, -1/10, 0, 1/2, 2/10 and 3/10, 4/10. So all are the between numbers. No matter if we convert here the 10, we find the more between numbers. So 5 into 2, 5 and 2, LCM is the 10, but more digit is the 20. 5 4 is 20, 2 10 is 20. So we find the denominator of more digit and find the more numbers. So it's our explanation of rational number chapter 1 class 8th. Dear student, you solve the all exercise of chapter 1 of those examples. Thank you. Have a nice day.